Zhongshan Hongzhun Lighting Factory was established in 2010. It is a professional manufacturer of LED street light, LED floodlight, LED high bay light, and outdoor LED lights in Zhongshan of China. We are located in Zhongshan with convenient transportation access. We are a professional in R&D, production, technical support, and service together with selling quality LED products, which 80% is from export and considerable customers is from Southeast Asia, North America, South America, Europe. We offer OEM and ODM service. Our main products are LED street light, LED high bay light, LED floodlight, LED tube, outdoor LED lights with CB, CE certificate. We regard it as our mission to provide quality, competitive price, and efficient service to customer. We can be your fine partner. Our purpose: first, produce substantial technological products in quality. Second, be honest, conscientious, and cooperative. Last, lay emphasis on competent people, and innovation is greatly encouraged. Pursue a collective development for employees, customers, and enterprise itself. We take quality as life, time as reputation, price as our business faith. We hope to become your trusted long-term partner to achieve win-win situation. Let's create bright future together. Please don't hesitate to contact us right now.